G'day, my name's Tomo and welcome to another episode of Tomo's Tune-Ups. On this episode, we are talking about the two different types of side diff seals available from Minisport. So let's jump straight into it. The standard type, which is a smaller type compared to this one, is available in most engine or gearbox reseal kits at Minisport. So this one is designed for both the rubber type joint and the pot joint type. Now, the pot joint type is found on rod change gearboxes, whereas the rubber type is generally found on the Magic Wand. If you haven't already, make sure to check out the 850 Mini that I did a few months back in the link in the description above. Now, the second type, which is this one here, is designed specifically for this gearbox right here. This is what we call the Harley Spicer type joint. Now, this is a bolt-on type uni joint where the shaft attaches inside the uni joint but doesn't actually get fixed inside there. It is a floating joint. So that is conventionally found on an output shaft from a gearbox to a rear diff on, for instance, a four-wheel drive. So there are two different types. If you are rebuilding a gearbox, most conventional seal kits will come with this one, but if you are doing a Harley Spicer, you will need this one. They won't be interchangeable as they are two physically different size seals. So make sure you get the right seal to suit the needs or the application that you're working on. So I hope you guys learned something. Don't forget to check out the full range at minisport.com.au and we'll see you right here on another episode of Tomo's Tune-Ups.